Very good evening. Today we will discuss about diabetes and medicinal plants used to treat diabetes. So you can observe here diabetes in India in 2019 77 million people are projected that up to 2030 100 million and 2045 about 134 million people with diabetes. So this is diabetes. Insulin is a hormone made by the pancreas that helps glucose get into your cells to be used for energy. If you have a diabetes, your body doesn't make enough or any insulin or doesn't use insulin properly, glucose then stay in your blood and doesn't reach your cell. So the glucose level high. That is diabetes. So diabetes is a chronic metabolic disease characterized by elevated level of blood glucose, which leads over time to serious damage to the heart, blood vessels, eye, kidney, and nerves. Type 1. In most people with type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system, which normally fight infection, attack and destroy the cells in the pancreas that make insulin. Type 2. Type 2 diabetes, the most common type of diabetes, is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, is too high. Blood glucose is your main source of energy and comes mainly from the food you eat. Insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, helps glucose get into your cells to be used for energy. In type 2 diabetes, your body doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use insulin well. Too much glucose then stay in your blood and not enough reaches your cells. So you can observe here diabetes, it is the condition in which the body does not properly process food to get energy. Most of the food is turned into glucose or sugar. The pancreas, an organ that lies near the stomach, makes a hormone called insulin which helps glucose get into the cells of our bodies. It is a chronic disease that occurs either when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. That is diabetes. So 108 million in 1984 to 2 million in 2014. In 2016, an estimated 1.6 million death. WHO estimates that diabetes was the seventh leading cause of death in 2016. You can observe the problem. So these are the symptoms: always hungry. Okay, you can observe NIMB, frequent urination. So these are the complications and these are the prevention. Health impact. Over time, diabetes can damage the heart, blood vessel, eye, kidney, and nerve. Adults with diabetes have a 2 or 3-fold increased risk of a heart attack and stroke. Combined with reduced blood flow, neuropathy, nerve damage in the feet increase the chance of foot ulcer. Diabetes is the cause of 2.6% of global blindness. Diabetes is among the leading cause of kidney failure. Now, medicinal plants, okay, which is useful in diabetes. First is Tinospora cordifolia. It is also known as Amrita. Second, Aegil marmelis. Third, Ficus racemosa. Endographis paniculata. Oroxylum indicum. Centella asiatica. Asparagus racemosus. Momordica charencia. Syzygium cumini. Orthocarpus heterophyllus. Terminalia bellerica. Alpinia galanga. Azotica indica. Terminalia cebula. Piper longum. Gymnema sylvester. Murea coindi. Costus species, Pterospermum marsupium. You can observe the cup of bija glass. Now, important preventive plants against diabetes: Momotica cerensia, Syzygium cumini, Gymnema sylvester, Tribonella, Tinospora cordifolia, and Endographis paniculata. Thank you.